Now, click on the Home button, and let's look at how to add properties. Click on the plus button to add properties, which will take you to Property Details page. Now, select what you want to do. That is, buy, rent, or sale. Next, select the request option to choose if you are posting the property for yourself or for anyone else. If it's for someone else, you are required to enter the mobile number of that person. Next, select the property type and its subtype as shown here. Next, select the area or location of the property from the drop-down box given. Now, you need to enter measurements like price, bedrooms, bathrooms, property age, lifts, road size, and distances as shown here. These details have to be entered in numbers and not text. For example, if we enter letters in these boxes, it will get highlighted in red to show that it's an invalid entry. If correct numbers are entered, the boxes will be highlighted in green. Once complete, scroll down for other details. In case the property type is land, you have to enter other details such as property facing, the approved construction permission, road type, soil type, and the size of the road facing the property. Here, you can also add the type of crop being produced if the property is an agricultural land. Next, you can check other details such as fencing, electricity and water facility if available. Also mention the distance of the property from the national highway and the outer ring road. Next, select the accurate location of the property. If you are at the property location, select the current option to get current pin location on map. The others option can be used to get pin location using an address or by dragging the pin and placing it at the property location. Finally, give a detailed description and add pictures of the property. You can add up to 9 pictures and 1 video up to 20 megabytes. Once complete, verify the entered details for any errors and click on the Submit button, which will upload the property. Once uploaded, you will get a confirmation message on your WhatsApp and an SMS. Now, when you click on My Posts button, your uploaded property will be displayed here. Now since we have uploaded a sale type property, we can see our property under the Sale tab in My Posts. If you need to again edit this property, you can click on the Edit button on the bottom right corner, as shown here, and then make changes as required, and click Submit button again to save the details. Similarly, for other types of properties, you can follow the steps and options shown before, and add new properties as an agent or a customer. For any issues, please watch the help video by clicking here. You can also call us or message us on WhatsApp, and we will reach out to you. So that's how to register at Buy Rent Sale. Thank you.